Do you miss playing all the old Sega titles? But you can't find your old console? Well, this new feature of the Amazon Fire TV Stick will fulfill all your retro gaming needs, with 25 of your favourite Sega classics.
And I can't wait to get in the box.
So I've never actually played with an Amazon Fire TV Stick before, so this is a first for me anyway. I'm super happy about this because I actually have an Amazon Prime account, which means that I can take advantage of all the TV on here. You've got obviously Netflix, Sky News, Prime Video, My5, All 4, BBC iPlayer, and those are just the things on the box. I think we should just get in and actually unbox this thing because there's something crazy that Amazon have done. It's the reason they've sponsored this video, because now you can get 25 Sega games on your Fire TV Stick. Now, think about that for a second. Sega games, old classics, right? We're going to go on this today and see what we can actually play, but you know, for the price of one of these versus the price of a console as well, like a separate piece of hardware that could play Sega games, it's just all on your Fire TV Stick. Like, this thing is turning into the ultimate smart TV. You can then play games on it and you have all of these streaming capabilities. So let's get this plugged in. Here is our remote controller. Here's the Fire TV Stick. In the box, you also get a little doohickey, which is a HDMI male to female adapter in case it sticks out the side of your TV when you plug it in, you know, if your HDMIs are close to the edge of the TV. Right, okay, so we've all known for ages that the Fire Stick has been able to do things more than just watch and stream TV. It's always had games and different apps on it, but these games have primarily been Android sort of based games and not been the sort of big blockbuster games that obviously Sega created back in the day. So let's go over to apps, and as you guys can see, yeah, it's literally right there, Sega. Let's be installing some of these. Wow, this is sick. I'm going to be installing it. Okay, so whilst it's installing it, I've remembered that this is actually the voice remote. It has a microphone button on it right there, and I think you can do different things like launch apps and actually search for different programs. Let's say if you're watching TV or whatever. Let's see if it can launch Sega. It's just finished installing. So hold it down. Launch Sega Classics. Okay, so it's actually asking me to turn these Fire Sticks, man. There's so much more. Like, this is actually crazy that you get all of this. Okay, so you've got Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic the Hedgehog 2, Sonic CD. Okay, I think we're in. Right, here we go. Let's go, Sonic. Press start button. Green Hills. Oh, this brings back so many memories. No way! So that's jump. Oh, sick. Oh, this is just cool. The remote is a little wee bit awkward, but you can imagine you getting used to it. Oh, this is just cool. Oh, for the boys. Here we go. There we go. That's how it's done. Oh, he's popped it. Oh, okay, these are old school classics. This is so cool. It's taking me right back. I can't believe these are just on a, like, these are actual proper classic games. And I can't believe they're just on a Fire Stick. This was the Mega Drive, was it? The Mega Drive that had all of these Sega games on. And now you just plug in a little thing in the back of your flat screen TV that can do all the streaming in the world, and then for, well, $11.99, you can buy all the Sega games and just play them here on your Fire Stick. So as you can see, I've got the Amazon Fire TV Stick mounted permanently to the back of the TV that goes into my bed. As you can see, it's all nice and flush on there. So now it's about a week later, and obviously if I'm doing a review of a Fire TV Stick here in 2019, it's only right that I use the thing for a week, and so I can tell you guys what I've been using the most on it. So let's take a seat and have a look at what's going on here. So Alex, how have you been using your Fire TV Stick in 2019 over the last week? What have you been doing on it? Well, it's fairly simple because it comes up in the recent tab, all the things I've actually been doing. So as you guys can see, I've been watching some episodes here of the Grand Tour. I've been on Twitch quite a lot. That is probably my most favorite used thing on the Fire TV Stick, is the fact that you've got Twitch on here so you can watch live gameplay of your favorite Twitch streamers. That is absolutely awesome. And then I've been taking advantage of all the streaming features like you would on one of these devices, like your BBC iPlayer, obviously Netflix, but I'm talking about things like ITV Hub, Sky News and My5 and things like that, and all of the catch-up TV elements, not things like Netflix. I have been watching Netflix, but I've been mainly using it for just sort of catch-up TV. Like I've said, ITV Hub, Sky News, My5 here in the UK. Now, I also do own an Amazon Prime account. I've had one for years just because I buy so many items from Amazon and I take advantage of the awesome quick delivery speeds, which is awesome. I've been a paid subscriber for Amazon Prime as long as I can remember. With that, I also get all of the Amazon Prime TV. So I've been watching the Grand Tour recently, which is a show here in the UK by 3 presenters that did have a car show, and then loads of stuff happened, and now they moved it to Amazon, which is super, super cool. So the fact that I've been able to catch up on that is okay. The quality is amazing. It's all in 4K, so it's just sharp as nails, especially when I'm literally sat inches from the TV. As well as playing the Sega games, I've been playing some other games on there just to see what the frame rate is like. This little Fire TV stick is only small, and to be fair, all the games run buttery smooth, and so does the OS. It's actually a pleasure to use. And a couple of miscellaneous things that I wanted to mention to you guys is that I've been streaming my Spotify to this device too, as well as using the voice assistant by, well, pushing this button down and speaking into the remote by the blue light that comes on. Super cool. I love this thing, and it's definitely worth it in 2019, I'd say. Okay, so I'm definitely keeping the Fire Stick on my bed TV here in 2019. It's got some awesome features, and I'm really happy that Amazon actually reached out and gave us the opportunity to review it, as well as show you guys and premiere all of the new 25 Sega games. This has been super fun to check out, and like I said, it's definitely worth it for me. It does pretty much all of the catch-up stuff that I want. I can watch Twitch on it. You can do so much stuff on it. I do recommend it, if you're asking. My name's been Alex, this has been TechFlow. We hope you found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Guys, if you want to look at some of our other honest reviews, you can do. We've got 2 videos right there, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe because we'd really, really appreciate it.